SILVERSON batch mixers provide high-speed in-tank mixing ideal for a wide range of applications, including blending, dissolving, disintegrating, emulsifying, homogenizing, and powder-liquid mixing. This versatility stems from the specially designed rotor-stator mixing assembly. This draws liquid and solid materials upwards from the base of the vessel into the workhead, where they are intensely mixed. Centrifugal force then forces the materials out through the holes in the stator, and they are projected back into the vessel at high velocity. Fresh material is continually drawn into the workhead, resulting in a circulatory pattern of mixing below the liquid surface. As a result, aeration is reduced to a minimum. The vessel geometry and position of the mixer in the vessel has a significant effect on performance. This sort of vessel works best for a high shear mixer, while something like this isn't really suitable. The ideal position of the mixer will depend on your application and requirements, but if the mixer is too low in the vessel, it won't be able to draw materials up into the workhead properly. This can also reduce the circulation of product back into the vessel and impair movement throughout the tank, so ensure it is raised off the bottom of the vessel sufficiently to allow good flow through the workhead. Similarly, if it's too high, it can cause aeration and unwanted turbulence at the surface, and it might reduce movement lower down in the vessel, so adjust accordingly to get the right balance for your requirements. For most mixing applications, we recommend positioning the mixer slightly off-center in the vessel, as running the mixer in the center of the vessel can cause an excessive vortex. However, where product viscosity is higher, mixing towards the center may be better, as this prevents localized mixing. If required, you can raise and lower the mixer slightly if it is stand-mounted to assist the movement of more viscous products, or to incorporate powders with a tendency to float or raft on the liquid surface. At SILVERSON, we've been helping people to get the best out of their mixing process for over 75 years. So for expert technical advice or assistance with specifying or using a mixer, contact us today.